First, run cat program. We will make eccentric driving device, so make a new 3D file. Click the sketch start and select XY plane. Draw around the origin using a 2-point rectangle. The dimensions are 97 mm wide and 114 mm long, and finish the sketch. Extrude by 10 mm. Start 2D sketch on the lower right side. Draw a circle 58 mm in diameter, 66 away from the center of the rectangle. Finish the sketch. Extrude 3 mm and 71 mm respectively by selecting projecting differently. Start 2D sketch on the upper side of the cube. Press the F7 button and project the cut edge. Based on the center of the right side of the section, draw two sides and 64 mm wide and 3 mm long. Finish the sketch. Extrude enough to fit into a cylinder, each about 30 mm. Start sketching on the T-shaped face. Press the F7 button and project the cut edge. Select a line and from the apex of the T-shaped plane, draw a line into a cylinder. The angle of the line and the top is 63 degrees. Cut out the line that comes out. Select the ribs and select the directions and set the thickness to 10 mm. Draw a circle 58 mm in diameter. Create the same for the other side in relation to the XG plane. Select spacing in plane and give minus 63 mm distance from the cylinder surface. Start to the sketch on the surface you just made. Press the F7 button and project the cut edge. Draw two rectangles 29 mm wide and 51 mm long, symmetrical in relation to the center of the circle. Finish the sketch. Extrude two rectangles by 52 mm. Unvisit plane, and it is not necessary to do. Fillet by 9 mm at the four corners of the protrusions. Start 2D sketch on the upper side. Project the cutting edge and draw a circle 42 mm in diameter. Move the center of the circle 29 mm from the lateral side and 26 mm from the longitudinal side. Extrude the circle by 3 mm. Fillet each of the two corners of the base by 17 mm. Look carefully and follow. Start 2D sketch on the upper side of the fillet. Press the F7 button and project the cut edge and draw a circle 11 mm in diameter at the center of the fillet. Draw another circle with a diameter of 11 mm, about 48 mm from the center of the circle just drawn. Two circles just drawn through the hole. Start 2D sketch on the upper side. Press the F7 button and project the cut edge. Draw a circle at the center of the two circles, each measuring 20 mm in diameter. Extrude the circle just drawn by 3 mm. Fillet the circle edge by 3 mm. The four three features are mirrored in relation to the xg plane. Start 2D sketch on the cylinder's base. Draw a circle 29 mm in diameter at the center of the circle with a feature projection. Extrude through a circle just drawn. Start 2D sketch on the donut-shaped surface. Project the cutting edge and draw a circle with a diameter of 32 mm. Cut by 30 mm in the shape of the circle just drawn. Start 2D sketch on the opposite surface. Follow the course that you just watched. Finish the sketch. Fillet by 0.3 mm to each of the corners. Start 2D sketch on the most upper surface. Project the cut edge and draw a circle 22 mm in the diameter. Finish the sketch. Cut by 9 mm in the shape of the circle just drawn. Start 2D sketch on the surface just cut. Press F7 and project the cutting edge and draw a rectangle about 40 mm wide and 46 mm long in relation to the center of the circle. Fillet each side 3 mm apart. Cut by 45 millimeters in the downward direction.